The area of triangle is 12.5 square inches. Its height is 4 times the length of its base. Find the height and base of a triangle. Let me draw the triangle. This is our base. This is our height. And we know that the height is 4 times the length of base. So it's 4 times b. We can write. And we have given area. And let me remind you, formula for area is 1/2 times base times height. So now we can substitute area by 12.5. We have square inches. 0.5 square inches is equal 1/2 b times h. H is 4b. So we have times 4b. So we can reduce 2 and 4 will be 2. We have 12.5 square inches is equal 2b square. So now I will divide both sides by 2 to find only b. So it will be 2 and 2. So 2 and 2 we can reduce. I will change the sides and we have that b square is equal 12.5 divided by 2 is 6.25 and we have square inches. So our b is equal plus minus 2.5 because square root of 6.25 square inches is 2.5 inches. Because b is base and base cannot be, because its length of base cannot be negative, so we have only b is equal 2.5 inches. We cannot choose negative value for base. So now we need to find the height. We know that height is 4 times the length of base. So h is equal 4 times b. So this is equal 4 times 2.5 inches. So this is equal 10 inches. This is my solution.